Meaning of emirate.
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 Emirate. The word emirate refers to a political territory that is ruled by an emir, who is the leader or ruler of a Muslim state. The term is commonly used in the context of certain countries in the Middle East, such as the United Arab Emirates, Qatar, and Kuwait. In general, emirates are governed by a hereditary monarch, who holds significant power and authority over their subjects. These rulers may be assisted by advisors or governing councils, but ultimately they retain final decision-making authority over the affairs of their respective emirates.